this was the terminus for the Hornsea railway line, guys. Hull Paragon Interchange. So this was the terminus, and this is operated by other trains now, like Northern, Hull Trains, Transman Express, and then other trains. There's a train getting ready to depart now. I don't know where that's going. I think that's going to York. But this was the terminus building for the Hornsea railway line, and right in the centre where you see that Hull Trains, right, that was the platform. That was the platform, and over here, where that bit there, right, them two ovals there, that was the part where the Hornsea lines ran from. So today, this is operated by other train companies, and also it's a bus station now as well, so judging by the buses on the left-hand side. So this is Paragon Interchange, guys. This was the starting point for the Hornsea railway line. So let's continue on down to Longsborough Street. Yeah, so I'm going over this bridge now, guys. So the lines are over there, which you can't see really, so it's really high. Going off down there. Looks like people using this being as a dumping ground as well. There you go. There's a train just behind now, so... So there's the train just behind now. That one's going to Bridlington, that one. And there's the car park and the buses where the lines used to run. And where that London train is, that used to be the old platform for the Hornsea and Hornsea railway lines. So there's two platforms, but now the only one survives. So the start point of the Hornsea railway line. Let's continue on to Longsborough Street. Guys, this is top of Longsborough Street, and in the centre of the screen there, that's the Botanic Gardens that's the Botanic Gardens Train Care Centre, which is where they maintain all the northern trains that run on this line. So this is the maintenance depot, and just in the centre of the screen there where you can see there. Yep, sorry, get my finger out of the way. Just there. That's tankers, and they're built on a turntable. So it used to be a turntable with Botanic Gardens, and that's what they're built on. So this was the train care centre, and the lines going that way and that way towards Botanic Gardens railway station, which is just over there. So this is Botanic Gardens train care centre, and this is where they maintain all the trains. And the lines that you see in front of you on the left-hand side of the screen, which is this one and this one, that was part of the Hornsea railway line and Hornsea railway lines. So that's Botanic Gardens Train Care Centre, where they maintain all the trains. And just through here, guys, you see Hull Oil Infirmary just in the centre of the screen. And also you see the railway lines as well, that ran from Hornsea and Hornsea, which is down here. There and there. So that's Botanic Gardens Train Care Centre, and also the lines that ran and Hull Paragon Interchange, or Hull as it's known as, it's just up there. So Hull Oil Infirmary and the lines that ran from Hornsea and Hornsea. So now we're going to Botanic Gardens, guys, which is first up on this line, which is just over there. Which is just over there, Botanic Gardens. It's just over there, and that's first up on this railway line. So I'll see you guys when I get to Botanic Gardens. So here we are in the car park of this pub here. This pub here, guys. So this was So this was a bit further down the line, and just through that wall is where Botanic Gardens railway station used to be. So just through this wall, well, you can't see it now. You can't see it now, but right through that wall was Botanic Gardens railway station. So now this is a pub car park and a pub there. And the tracks used to come from Paragon down here. Down here, past crossing up there, which is Park Road Crossing. Then down here, and just through that wall, through to Botanic Gardens railway station. And that was the first stop on this line, which is just through there. So this is not. So there's nothing left of Botanic Gardens railway station now. Just housing and pubs and car park. That's all that remains here now. So let's even get a bit further on to Botanic Gardens. Right, so that's where I was just up there, guys. Where the back of that pub there. That's where I just was. And now I've come a bit further on. And now I'm just down here. So the garage is behind me there. And then you see the pub there. That's where I just was. And you come up here. Where that fence is, but before the fence, there's something really special I need to show you. And that is this here. And this is the retraining wall for the Hornsea railway line. So this is still in situ now. It goes all the way down there. Now it's people's gardens up there now, so you can't get down here now. But this was a retraining wall for the Hornsea railway line. So this is a retaining wall. And it falls all the way down there. Ow. It falls all the way down there. Past that fence and a bit further. But this is a retaining wall. And it's still in perfect condition. So I'm just a few miles away from Botanic Gardens now, which is just over there. So I'll do a bit of movement on GoPro, and then I'll come back to you. So I'll see you in a bit, guys. There's some more of the retaining wall here, guys. Just after there's some more retaining wall here, which is in perfect condition. And this is all from the rear area. And Botanic Gardens was just through there, where the hedges are. The Botanic Gardens railway station was just through there. But this is the retaining wall for the Hornsea and Hornsea railway line. And the lines used to run to the side of this wall. To the side of this wall where the houses are just gardens now, so you can't really accept that now. So, but the railway lines used to run to the side of that wall. And up to the Botanic Gardens, which is just that way. So this was the retaining wall, and this one I'm on now. This was a former track bed as well. So there was a track that side and a track this side. Through to Botanic Gardens railway station. So I'll see you when I get to Botanic Gardens railway station, guys. This is part of the rail. This is start of the rail trail now between Hull to Hornsea. So that's Shrewsbury Street up there, at the back there. That's Shrewsbury Street. So that's Shrewsbury Street all along there. And then this is where the rail trail begins. And we follow this line all the way to Hornsea. So that house there, that house is probably new before when the railway got built. The houses back up there, that one there, that was here when the railway was here, but that house there is a new one. So this is the start of the rail trail, guys. So I've come off Danson Lane, which is there. I'm going to start walking along this route now. So I'm going to be operating 2 cameras, guys. So I'll see you guys in a second. Yeah, start the rail trail this is now, guys. That's Dover Street there. And there's plenty of personal on this route, guys, which resembles the railway. See? Plenty of these concrete purse. There's plenty of them. Which these here, these are from the railway area, so plenty of these purse around. There's a plenty. Oop, that GoPro. There's plenty of these purse around, guys. There's plenty of them. And these from the railway area. So next stop on here for me, guys, is Stepney railway station. So this is the Hornsea rail trail I'm on now, guys. Oh, that's from the railway area, guys. That's from the railway area. You can tell by the brackets and the hard stern. So that's from the railway area, guys. You can tell that is. So this is from the railway area, guys. Very graffiti going on my walls. So I'm still on the rail trail here, guys. I'm still on the rail trail. And you can tell, I'm still on the rail trail here. So back towards there, guys, is back towards Hull Paragon. So now I'm on the rail trail. And first stop is first stop on this line is Stepney. So I'll speak to you when I get there. So where we're approaching now, guys, is Stepney railway station. And both platforms and the station house remains on this line, so this was the first stop on the line. You know, there's a lot of graffiti on the railway on the platforms. A lot of graffiti. And Bedley Road is just above me there, just over there. So this was the first station on the line, guys, and it was called Stepney. And this station closed in 1964 as well, so anyway, there's Stepney railway station, guys. And it's still all there. You know, the platform's a bit wasteful wear, but this is Stepney railway station, guys. Just back that way is towards Hull, and this way is towards Hornsea. So this is Stepney railway station, guys. And you can see, it's still all original. So all the original stations there. And now this is a private residence. But all the station is still there. And thankfully the two platforms still remain. Down platform that way, and that's the up platform. So this is the first station on the line, guys, and this is Stepney. So I'll see you guys in a little while. There we're going to Stepney station, guys. So Stepney station heritage board. And that's all the history we're going to Stepney railway station. And all these statues, which you see here, are all part of the railway area. Little child there got a case and a bucket and spade as he was going to Hornsea. All these statues, guys, are amazing. They're a bit rusty there, but it's really good there. That's a little girl running to her mum. So what I'm currently stood on, guys, is the up platform to Hornsea. And that's Bedford Road, just in front of me there. But these sculptures are amazing.